This video explains how to create a Binance account step by step. Even if it's your first time using a cryptocurrency exchange, you can easily sign up by following this video. Below the video you are watching, check the More section or the pinned comment for the sign up link. Clicking the link will take you to the Binance registration screen. By signing up through the link I provided, you can receive a 20% commission discount and a $600 bonus. Enter your email address and click Continue. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent via email. Set a password. The password must contain at least one number, one uppercase letter, and be at least 8 characters long. You can confirm that a 20% commission discount has been applied like this. If a code entry field appears instead of the current screen, you can manually enter the code displayed on the screen to apply the commission discount. You can also copy and paste the code from the See More section or the pinned comment. Click Next. You need to install the Binance app for identity verification and security authentication. Search for Binance in the App Store or Play Store, then install and run the app. When you first launch the Binance app, there are 2 options, and you should select the option below. Log in using the information you just registered through this login button. Now, to proceed with trading on Binance, you need to complete identity verification. This process takes about 7 minutes and requires a government-issued ID or passport. In most countries, you can sign up with just ID verification. In some cases, proof of residence may be additionally required, and bank statements or utility bills can be used. After selecting your country, click Continue. Choose Take Pictures and press. Continue to take a photo of your ID. Allow camera access and take a photo of the front side of your ID. Proceed in the same way for the back side. Proceed with the selfie verification. Move your head or tilt it down according to the instructions on the screen. The information from the ID you just took is filled in. If there are any mistakes, correct them yourself and press Continue. Choose a profession. It's perfectly fine to select unemployed and proceed. The identity verification process has been completed. The review is usually completed within an hour. Once the identity verification is passed, you can click the icon in the top left corner to check for the verified indicator here. Perform security verification while the identity verification review is in progress. Click on the Profile section here and then go to the Security tab. Click on the Authentication app and then click the corresponding button. Enter the verification code sent via email. Now you need to install the Google Authenticator app. Search for Google OTP in the App Store or Play Store. Then install and run the app. After copying my 16-character key from Binance, I go back to the Google Authenticator. Press the plus button and enter the setup key by pasting it into your key, setting the account name to Binance. Adding it will generate a 6-digit authentication code. The code changes every 30 seconds. Enter the corresponding number in Binance and then click Next. Once you click Submit, the Google Authenticator security setup will be complete. Signed up for Binance and completed the identity verification and security verification. Now I can deposit money into Binance and proceed with trading. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for listening.